Have you ever wondered which cities are the must-visit destinations in the United Kingdom? From the historic streets of Edinburgh to the bustling metropolis of London, the UK offers a diverse array of experiences for travelers. But before we dive into our list of the top 5 cities to visit, we want to hear from you. Which cities have you had the pleasure of exploring in the UK? Share your experiences in the comments below and let us know which ones left a lasting impression on you. Now, let's embark on a journey through the UK's most captivating cities. Number 5. Manchester. Our journey begins in Manchester, a vibrant city known for its rich industrial heritage, thriving music scene, and cultural diversity. Explore iconic landmarks like the Manchester Cathedral and the historic Manchester Town Hall, or immerse yourself in the city's famous football culture with a visit to Old Trafford or the National Football Museum. With its eclectic mix of history, culture, and entertainment, Manchester is a must-visit destination for any traveler exploring the UK. Number 4. Edinburgh. Next up, we have Edinburgh, the historic capital of Scotland and a city steeped in history, culture, and natural beauty. Explore the cobbled streets of the UNESCO-listed Old Town, visit the iconic Edinburgh Castle, perched atop Castle Rock, and take in panoramic views of the city from Arthur's Seat. Experience the city's famous festivals, including the Edinburgh Festival Fringe and the Royal Edinburgh Military Tattoo, and indulge in traditional Scottish cuisine at local pubs and restaurants. With its stunning architecture, vibrant cultural scene, and stunning landscapes, Edinburgh is a city that will captivate your heart. Number 3. Birmingham. Moving on to Birmingham, England's second-largest city and a dynamic hub of culture, commerce, and creativity. Explore the city's industrial heritage at the Black Country Living Museum, visit iconic landmarks like the Birmingham Museum and Art Gallery, and shop till you drop at the Bullring Shopping Centre. Experience the city's vibrant nightlife, from trendy bars and clubs to traditional pubs and live music venues. With its diverse attractions and lively atmosphere, Birmingham is a must-visit destination for travelers seeking a taste of modern Britain. Number 2. Glasgow. Next on our list is Glasgow, Scotland's largest city and a vibrant cultural hub known for its stunning architecture, world-class museums, and lively music scene. Explore the city's historic landmarks, including the Glasgow Cathedral and the Glasgow Necropolis, or admire the stunning art collections at the Kelvingrove Art Gallery and Museum. Experience the city's legendary nightlife, from trendy bars and clubs to traditional pubs and live music venues. With its friendly locals, rich cultural heritage, and dynamic energy, Glasgow is a city that will leave a lasting impression on every visitor. Number 1. London. Rounding out our list is London, the iconic capital of the United Kingdom, and one of the most visited cities in the world. Explore world-famous landmarks like the Tower of London, Buckingham Palace, and the British Museum, or stroll along the banks of the River Thames and take in panoramic views from the London Eye. Experience the city's vibrant cultural scene, from West End shows and art galleries to street markets and food festivals. With its rich history, diverse attractions, and cosmopolitan atmosphere, London offers travelers an unforgettable experience unlike any other. There you have it, our top 5 cities to visit in the UK. Whether you're exploring the historic streets of Edinburgh, experiencing the vibrant culture of Glasgow, or marveling at the iconic landmarks of London, the UK offers travelers a diverse array of experiences just waiting to be discovered. Have you had the pleasure of visiting any of these cities? Share your experiences in the comments below, and let us know your favorite memories and recommendations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!